So this is how to use myschoolworksite.com, the e-learning site supplied to all the website, all our websites. Just go to myschoolworksite.com, or when you're from your website, it will drop you here. There are two ways. Uh, it will drop you here like this. There are two ways to access your work. There is work that has been being put for a lot of time by the teachers. So we have badges here. If you are from Luzira Secondary School, Chinawa High School, Chinawa High Schools, and other schools that are enlisted, you can just click on your badge. So, for example, Luzira, we don't have any work yet for now, but you can just tap Luzira SS, and if teachers provide work, you will find work listed there. You just click on your badge. Right now, when you click on Luzira, it will take you, because there is no work, it will take you to that of Mugongo campus, Chinawa Mugongo campus. So you can see there is work is just here from senior one, senior two, uh, senior three, senior four. You can just download it. You can just click on any. Let's say you want to click on S4 physics paper, you just click on that. Senior four physics paper. See, so you can click here to download it. Same applied on your phone. It's the same thing. It will work the same way. Of course, when you click here, it will prompt a download. So you'll be able to stay with the work on your phone or on your computer. And now that is the direct way. That is only work that is provided in a time that is available like that. So you can save that work on your computer or phone. So you see, I'll save this senior 4 physics paper. I'll just click save so that that paper stays and do the work, and I can send it to the teachers. Uh, I can send the work back to the teachers. Going back to the learning site. Actually, you may not access it by typing www dot from your website, from Luzira SS website. You can just click on e-learning. It will bring you Otontake, Chinawa, all the other schools that are using the system. Just click on your website, e-learning. It will take you to the system. Now, that's for direct access of some of the work that is being put by the teachers and agreed to be on the platform. Now, there is another way